I'm going to guide you how to download Adobe Acrobat Reader in Windows 11 for free. If you find this useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now to get this done, first of all, you need to launch your browser. You can use any browser, but personally I'm going to use Chrome browser. So I'm just going to open the browser, then go to search and search for Adobe Acrobat Reader. Then press on enter. So this is their official website, get.adobe.com. So we are going to click on this first link, download Adobe Acrobat Reader. Then as you can see, Windows 10 and 11 English version. You can also check your system requirement for you before you download. So you will just click on system requirement. Then this is the Windows system requirement for Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you are going to see Windows 11 64-bit and also Windows 10 64-bit from this version or later, and then 2 GB RAM. So this is the system requirement. So after you have confirmed that, you are just going to close this one. Then you will just click on download Acrobat Reader. Then the download will begin automatically. As you can see at the top there, it has already begun and it is already downloaded. So you are going to click on this file, just click on it once. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So you will minimize this one. Then we'll click on run. Then installation in progress. So we are going to wait for it to download. Then we'll continue with installation. As you can see, this is Adobe Acrobat Reader installer. So let us give it time for it to finish to download. Guys, as you can see, after downloading, it is now almost done installing. So just give it time, it will finish. Do not cancel it, do not interfere with it, just allow it to finish. Now as you can see, guys, the installation process is complete. Now just click on finish. Then how do you want to open .pdf file from now on? Now you can just select Adobe Acrobat. Then click OK. Then as you can see on your Windows 11 desktop, you are going to see now Acrobat is here. So you can use it as you wish. That's how you can download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader in Windows 11. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.